Do you need Excel to do more for you, with customer-friendly user forms to translate your data into insights and make it easy to understand your business? Then you come to the right gig. I will help you with the following. 1. Arranging raw data in Excel using pivot tables, Power Pivot and graphs. 2. Excel dashboard. 3. Excel data analysis using Power Query and DAX. 4. Data visualization. 5. Financial projections, budgeting, and modeling in Excel. 6. Minimizing the daily routine work through the use of VBA macros. 7. Professionally present raw data in Excel using IBCS charts. 8. Apply advanced filters to raw data. 9. Dynamic dashboard for your financial data. 10. Make use of lookup, XMATCH, let, and more advanced functions and formulas to solve complex problems. Note: I will share the MS PowerPoint presentation for easy understanding. Thank you.